Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how we can dilute gentamicin IV for neonates. Genta is given to children with infections and eye fevers, and is also given to prophylaxis in combination with ampicillin. So Genta is not given concentrated like this, so we need to dilute. So the requirement that is needed is water for injection. We need the drug itself, and we need 10 mils syringe. Now, if we consider economy also, now we dilute with 6 mils to make 8 mils. So here is the medication. We aspirate the medication. We expel the air. After that, we are going to get the 6 mils. 6 mils. So this is diluted gentamicin. So what you do, you need to label. You get something that can label. After diluting, you need to label the medication. Is diluted Genta. You write the date for today and the time. The time is maybe 4 p.m. It's for you if someone come across the medication and will see the time it was diluted and the date. So for them not to reuse it and just discard when the drug is no longer usable. So that is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.